This is a response video to someone who likes to call himself Haug or Haug. I think that what you said was complete horseshit. Some things like dude, gang, bro, gang. It's not funny. Listening to Filthy Frank's SoundCloud mixtape he made, and I think it's really good. And he's way better than any of the rappers you like. He's way better than Young Lean. He's way better than ASAP Ferg and Waka Flocka. So, and he's funny. He made a video one time where he said he was singing this song with a ukulele, and it was really cool at first, but then he goes, bitches ain't shit but beep and tricks. And it was funny. And he made a really good song. He made that song. So next time that you decide to hijack the Hog Money Entertainment channel and use it for your own special purposes, you'll come crying to me when you get no views and a bunch of dislikes. So what was that? What the hell was that?